Maths 10th trigonometric identities. So this is a second exercise 22b and question number 4. So this exercise problems are very simple problems, okay students. So you have using algebraic identities and the trigonometric identities, you will get the problem simply, okay. See, what is your question? Eliminate theta. So we are going to use the algebraic identity. So what is that identity? It is a plus b the whole square. So what is that? A square plus b square plus 2ab. And another one is a minus b the whole square. So that is a square plus b square minus 2. So these are the identity we are going to use, okay. So another trigonometric identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So when we are going to use the identity, we need squares, but in the question there is no square, so we need square. So you have to squaring on both sides, you have to use that rule, okay students. So take the first question, first equation. So x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta equal to 1. So you have to square. So squaring on both sides. See, just square and this side also square. So whenever you just square the LHS, you have to square the RHS also. Okay. So how will you square? So this whole term consider as a. This whole term should be considered as b. So this is a plus b the whole square. Okay. So what is our a square? A square. So x square by a square. This is cos square theta plus b square term y square plus b square sin square theta. Next term plus 2ab. So 2, what is our a? X by a and y by b cos theta sin theta equal to 1. So this is the first equation, students, okay. So do you understand? Catch that? Yes. So what is the second equation? So that is x by a sin theta, okay. So see the question, I want to see the question again, and in the middle it is minus, okay. So this is the second question. See, x by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta equal to minus 1. So this is the given second equation, okay. So this is the second equation. So we are going to squaring on both sides. So you have to square. How will you square? Just write this one square LHS and RHS square. Okay. So how will you take the square? See, you have to take a square. For that, this term as a and this term as b. So a minus b the whole square. See, so this is a square, x square, a square and sin square theta plus y square by b square cos square theta minus 2ab. So 2a term, okay, and b term. This is sin theta cos theta minus 1 the whole square, see. So that is 1. So we get two exact equation. See, we are going to add these two equation. Okay. So what is the first equation? See, shall we see the question? See students. Yes. See, I am going to round up this by red color. See, this is the first question. Sorry, first equation. Okay. And this is the second one. So we are going to add this. Okay. Two equations. Why, ma'am, you are adding, you are squaring, you are subtracting, whenever you want? Just nothing but, students, when you add, you can cancel the two terms. Okay. So how will you add? See, add this term, this term, this term and this third term. So 1 plus 1, it is 2. Okay. Sorry, I am doing straightly. See, when you add, you get x by a square cos square, okay, plus x square by a square sine square. This is second term. Okay, first one, second. And what is the second one? This is plus y square by b square, so sine square. Okay, ma. So next to this, write this one, y square by b square and cos square. So these terms to cancel because both terms are equal, and it is here minus, this is plus. So it is cancel. And here 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay. When you add right hand side, you have 1 plus 1. See 1. Here also we have 1. So 1 plus 1 adding we get 2. Okay. So what is your next step? Sorry. Okay. See the next step. So after this step, you can this step combining grouping. Okay. So this is grouping. So after grouping, you can take sine square or y minus b the whole square. Okay, so sorry, grouping, this is the right grouping, this is the right grouping. Okay students, why you are grouping this term? See this one and this one, because x square by a square, x square by a square. So I am taking x square by a square outside. So inside we have cos square theta plus sine square theta. Here also plus y square by b square. So inside we have sine square theta plus cos square theta. So this is equal to 2. So we can write here 1. So we have x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 2. So this is the last answer. Okay ma? So do you understand the question? Yes. So this is a very simple problem. So only you are squaring, taking the square and applying that algebraic identity perfectly, you will get the answer. Okay students. So I hope you all understand the problem. Little bit confusing problem, not a difficult problem. You just use algebraic identity in a good manner, you will get the answer simply. Okay. So I hope you all understand the problem. Thank you students.